Welcome to Boerboel, Daisy Duke.
So we're expecting Daisy to start labouring and having her puppies any minute now, really. So we've been getting ready. We've got a full whelping kit that we're going to talk you through now. So we've got a huge box of gloves that will help us obviously keep clean and help us when we're handling the puppies and Daisy. There's going to be a lot of liquid, a lot of mess, and it's important to keep everything very, very clean. We've got a couple of aspirators there. We've got a battery operated one, and we've also got a hand one, just as a backup really, in case we need a second one quite quickly. We have got a huge roll of kitchen towel because there's going to be a lot of mess. And we've then got various hand sanitizers, surgical spirits, Milton sterilising fluid, the Clinell antibacterial spray. Just again an emphasis on keeping everything clean and ensuring that Daisy and the puppies do not get any infections. We've got a clamp there for clamping the umbilical cords ahead of cutting off the link to the placenta basically, and then the dental floss to tie that off. Little child's nail scissors there again, just to snip that umbilical connection. And of course the collars there for identifying the puppies. The heat pad, which is going to be very, very important. We've got to keep these puppies warm. A lot of the time obviously they'll be with mum and she will keep them warm. But we're expecting a big litter. We've got at least 9, and it may be that we split the litter, so some will be on the heat pad, some will be with mum, and we'll rotate them to make sure that they're all getting fed equally. We've got a chart there so we can monitor when the puppies are born, the sex of all the puppies, and colour, any health concerns. Got their weight there, and we will monitor that at least daily as they grow up. The stethoscope is something that we hope we don't need to use, but if we've got a puppy that's struggling, we've got a resuscitation protocol that will involve obviously using that stethoscope to see if we've got a heartbeat, and to know if we can keep working or sadly when time might be up. Again, we really hope we don't need to use that, but we have it just in case. We've got the can of the Royal Canin baby dog milk. Again, Daisy has got very full mammary glands. She has been leaking milk already. We don't think we're going to use it, but just as a backup in case, we have that ready. We've got some honey there that we can give to Daisy and the pups if they need a little boost. And we've also got makeup sponges, which might look a bit odd in a whelping kit, but actually they can be cut down quite small. We might get 4 out of each one of those. And you can soak them in the formula milk and actually use those. The babies will suckle the milk from those, sometimes easier than they will from a teat. Coming from a bottle or a syringe. We do have a bottle feeding kit at the back there. Again, we might not need to use it, but just in case we've got one. And we've also got some of the Colo-Cal D, which is a calcium supplement for Daisy, which is likely to be needed at day 2 or 3 after she's had the puppies, just to give her that calcium boost in case she's struggling. We've also then got a tube feeding kit. Again, we hope we don't need it. If we've got any puppies that are born with a cleft palate, we might need to use that. Daisy has had folic acid, and obviously we're hoping that all of the puppies are perfectly formed, but just in case we do have any clefts, any issues, that might be needed. We've got the tube of colostrum there. Again, we don't think that there will be any problems. Daisy seems to be very well geared up for these babies, and she looks like she's going to produce a lot of milk very quickly. But just in case, it's very important to get that into the puppies within the first 6 hours or so. So if Daisy is unable to for any reason, we've got that as a backup. Big bucket of wipes, again, emphasis on cleanliness here. We don't want any infections. We're going to keep everything as clean as we can, and Clinell is very good. It has a very quick and a very short contact time, so some disinfectants, antibacterial products need about 5 minutes contact time to work. This one's been recommended because it's got a minute contact time, sometimes lower depending on the surface and the use of it. So that will make sure things are clean and disinfected very quickly. We've got a packet of syringes there, just in case we need them again for bottle feeding. And then just again some extra bits from the tube feeding kit there in the bottom corner. And then we've also got just like some extra supplies again on cleanliness. So we've got some spare vet beds, some spare towels, some spare washable puppy training pads there. What Daisy has in the whelping pen now is likely to get very, very messy, so we can quickly switch that out while the kit A is in the wash. And then we've got the laundry baskets there, various baskets and various scales. As the puppies grow, we might keep them separate, we might keep them in those laundry baskets, still with mum in the whelping pen, but just separated so that we can make sure they're feeding routinely and regularly, and of course the scales for regular, at least daily weighing. How do we feel?
Keep rubbing.
This is a boy. Daisy, you are so clever. Good girl, Daisy. You're so clever. He's definitely raspy, you can hear it. He's drinking. Right, you hold him with a cloth tightly. Hello, baby. Oh, it's got a good chunky neck. I got you. Stroking, Jess. It's okay, Daisy.
Okay, let's try again.
Can they bite me?
No, he's got no teeth. Still tight? Is it tight? No?
You guys got a big old neck?
Yep.
Alright, this should be okay then. Keep him there.
His dad's neck.
Definitely lost out.
That's it. Just stroke him, Jess.
Yeah, that's it.
basically cry right now.
It's exciting, isn't it?
It's a finger.
Hey, well, he's
Right.
hungry, look. He's a big boy.
He thought I was his.
And you're just going to hold him over this blanket gently like this. Okay? Like that. Just keep him over the blanket. Look, he's still a very tiny baby, Jess. Back to Mama. She can keep him warm and give him his milk.
Tomorrow, can I hold him like properly?
Yeah.
After the first day,
Even later,
you should be okay.
Jess. We just need to help him and help Daisy to know what to do right now. This is lovely and warm.
So he's passed out. Oh no, he's drinking again.
Drinking. Another black one. Good girl, Daisy. Wriggling. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl, that's it. Good girl, Daisy. Keep going.
No sack.
No. Oh. Here we are. There is a sac, there is a placenta. The baby's all twisted round on itself. That's it. Give me a claw. Another black one. Not just going to snip it, surely.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Jess, come back. Another black one.
We've got another black one.
Good girl, Daisy. A bit noisy. This boy again, I think.
Another boy, Hannah.
You can.
I'll show you what first one.
No, you chew him. Hey, you're not chewing him. Daisy's shuddering. Yep, toes are all fine. He's not breathing. I mean, he's trying to suckle, isn't he? He's a strong puppy. Keep him away. No, you need to suck.
No, we need to suck him.
out the nose.
Where's it gone? Give it back to me.
Are we doing the cord straight away?
Yeah, we got it.
On the chair, please, Jess.
Wow, Daisy, you did this super fast. The camera.
Thought you nearly dropped the puppy one.
Oh, it's that little to me look brown. This one
Right.
was actually
Proper
black.
black, isn't it?
They both look brown.
That one is fake, isn't it? But this one is actually drinking, isn't he?
They're both drinking.
Are they?
That one's fake. He's faking it.
This also has little white toes. So he's got white toes, he's got white toes.
Look at her. Like I've just given her poison. To me, she's like. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Here we go. Coming out in the sack this time, look. It's wriggling, it's fine, it's a big one. Good girl. Let's get that little face. Good girl, Daisy. That's a big pupper.
Face first.
Yeah, it's black.
Another black one yet.
Daisy.
Don't know
You
yet.
don't know yet. Good girl.
Bit more, Daisy. Good job. That's it, Daisy. Good. Need a funnel. Need something to.
Here.
Good girl. Oh, Mummy, put it on
Yes.
red.
Sorry,
It's fine,
Daisy.
it's fine.
I'm sorry,
Okay,
babe.
move up. It's recording still. Right, this is the tricky part.
Good job, Daisy dog.
Another black. Okay, good job. Aspirator. Come on, Daisy. Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. It's wriggling. It's black. The centre's not come out yet. It's still quite firmly attached. Suction straight away. Another little girl. Yes! Need to tie her, well, we need to weigh her, don't we? And then tie off her cord. Daisy, no. Stop trying to put her head in your mouth. She's going straight for food. Good girl.
Boy, girl.
That's it.
I can't wait till she has more contractions. Hey, mister.
Put that on in a minute because he's still drinking. We'll get him out quick.
Right. Grab it with this.
Daisy, leave it. You just snip that, but it's still a bit hanging on. No, he's fine, he's not raspy like the last one was. Yeah. He's a good strong pupper again. That's it. Nah. This is, let's just check. See if oh, it's fine, little boy. Okay, Daisy, it's okay. Here he is. Here he is.
Check.
Here he is.
Check.
Yeah, he's fine. I've checked his. Did I check his bum? Stop trying to eat that. Stop it, Daisy. Leave. Yeah, bum's fine. He has got a white bib.
I want to see it. Oh, Papa.
In a sec, yeah.
He was in his sack yet. Right, go on then to Mama. That's it.
Good girl, Daisy. Good girl.
Another black one. Another wriggler. Welcome to the world, little bubba.
Yeah.
Yeah, just tight, really tight. 2 times over.
What's she doing with those?
She's just resting, waiting for this one to shoot up. Good girl, Daisy. Right, Mama, let this baby have some milk. You put your head away from her. The white paws. Beautiful. Beautiful pup. Good girl, Daisy.
Everything.
Let me check his bum bum. Let's check his bum bum. Let me see it, Daisy. Let me see. Bum's fine. Absolutely fine. Little wriggler. He's beautiful. He's my favourite. Mama. You lost your place to your brother.
That one is definitely a brown.
It's like the best chicken soup you ever had.
Chicken soup for the soul. And then I'll give her milk straight after that.
Good girl, Daisy.
If you've enjoyed this video, then like, share and subscribe to Boerboel Daisy Duke. We hope to see you again soon.